Hey guys, and welcome to my second video today on Small Basic. And in the last video I showed you guys about a little about variables and how to do printing and concatenations. Now in today's video I will be showing you how to you use more on variables and use like users input to actually do something. Uh, so let's see, what can we actually keep? So let's take the users input. What do you mean by users input? It means that the program will actually ask you to input something, and whatever you input, that will be the base for working forward if in the program it's embedded somewhere. So okay, let's try it. So let's start on variables first. um, Name equal to, sorry, Yashraj, and grade equal to 7th. That's it. And now let's write text window dot write line. Text window and write line, obviously you guys remember. It's, if you don't know what it is, please check out my last video, which is my first video as well. Text window dot write line, please enter the not the age, your age. And that's it. And then let's write age equal to text window, and as age is gonna be a number, it'll be a number, right? If it was name, then we would write read text window dot read, which is used for reading letters. But as it's a number, we have to write read number. Now these are operations which reads a number from the text window. Like, it'll ask us for like what is the age. Now please enter your age. If you don't write it, it'll just name equal to Yashraj grade equal 7th. The first thing which the program will actually embed will be age. It'll just like keep a blank and you have to just type, so you really won't understand. There won't be a, now let's see, wait, shouldn't have done that. X, control X. Now see, when you run it, just asks you a random number, example 4, press any key to continue. But when you do that and then run, please enter your age 67. Yeah, just like that. Okay, now after that, if you want to really display your age and stuff, text window dot write line, my age is, and a little bit of concatenation which I taught last video itself. Age is age plus, and my name is plus name plus, and my grade is plus, sorry, grade. That's it. And now let's see, please enter your age. We have to type it. I swear that I'm typing everything, not the program. My age is 59 and my name is Yashraj and my grade 7th. So as you could just see there really quickly, that was a really quick explanation of how to do it. Now variables can be used for even more things, such as, let's take an example of name. Wait, grade equal to, I shouldn't have just erased all that, 7th, age equal to 12, text window dot write line, please enter your name. Now name is equal to, as it's like a letter, you know, we need to we need to given you input of letters, use read. As you can see, reads a line of text from the text window. This function will not enter until the user hits enter. So text window dot read, and then this will do the same thing as the last time. My name is plus name plus and wait, and my age is plus age, and my and I study in seventh grade. Perfect. Now let's run it. So if when it asks us, please enter your name, if we write it as Totem, my name is Totem and my age is 12 and I study in 7th grade. If whatever you write over there, let's write Yashraj. My name is Yashraj and my age is 12 and I study in 7th grade. So whatever you write in that, you know, as name, the variable actually stores whatever our input is into the variable, and after that displays it later when we call for it. Okay. Now let's see what else can we do. Yeah, I think that's kind of it, what we can do with users input, right? I guess. Yeah, there's kind of nothing else we can do with users input, but in the forward, like in the more you know, more whatever I'm going to in the forward videos, read number and read, mostly when you're gonna like use read number, but read number and read are gonna come in really useful hands. It's gonna like come really useful. So guys, thanks for watching. That's kind of it for this video, and thanks for watching. If it was helpful for you, then please like and subscribe, and yeah, bye.